All right, so super loose here. So with these doorknobs here, there's gonna be a screw on the inside. You're just gonna loosen that up. The doorknob will then come, just slide off. And then what you're gonna have to do in order to get this tightened, normally on the inside of the door itself, you're gonna come up in here, you're gonna pop this cover off with a flat head. And then you got your 2 Phillips head screws there where you can tighten down. You're just gonna go in there, get them nice and hand tight. Don't want to go down too tight. Now that's good. And then we're gonna pop the cover back on. And then slide the door knobs back on and tighten down. And then boom.